Ni hao, food lovers. Welcome back to our culinary exploration of Chinese cuisine. Today, we're diving into a humble yet delicious dish that holds a special place in many households: homestyle tofu. But before we delve into the kitchen, let's uncover some fascinating unknown facts about this versatile and beloved dish. Join me as we discover the secrets behind homestyle tofu. Despite its unassuming name, homestyle tofu has deep historical roots in Chinese culinary tradition. Tofu itself has been a dietary staple in China for over 2,000 years, with records of its consumption dating back to the Han Dynasty. Over the centuries, tofu has evolved into countless dishes, including homestyle tofu, which reflects the rustic simplicity of traditional Chinese home cooking. While tofu is the star of the dish, there are various types of tofu that can be used to prepare homestyle tofu. From silken tofu, which has a delicate texture perfect for absorbing sauces, to firm tofu, which holds its shape well during cooking. Each variety offers a unique texture and flavor profile. Chefs and home cooks can choose the type of tofu that best suits their preferences and cooking methods. One of the key elements of homestyle tofu is the use of flavorful seasonings and aromatics. Ingredients such as garlic, ginger, scallions, and soy sauce are commonly used to enhance the taste of the tofu and create a savory and aromatic sauce. These seasonings add depth and complexity to the dish, transforming simple tofu into a satisfying and delicious meal. One of the defining characteristics of homestyle tofu is its contrast of textures. The tofu itself is soft and silky, while the accompanying ingredients, such as vegetables or meat, provide a satisfying crunch or chewiness. This interplay of textures adds interest and dimension to the dish, making each bite a delightful culinary experience. Whether served as a simple weeknight meal or as part of a festive feast, homestyle tofu brings people together and fosters a sense of connection and belonging. As plant-based diets gain popularity around the world, homestyle tofu has become a favorite choice for vegans and vegetarians. Tofu serves as an excellent protein source and can be combined with a variety of vegetables and plant-based ingredients to create delicious and nutritious vegan and vegetarian versions of the dish. These adaptations ensure that everyone can enjoy the comfort and flavor of homestyle tofu, regardless of dietary preferences. Just like many other Chinese dishes, homestyle tofu has regional variations across China. Each region puts its own unique spin on the dish, incorporating local ingredients and flavor profiles. For example, in Sichuan province, homestyle tofu may be prepared with Sichuan peppercorns and chili peppers for a spicy kick, while in Guangdong province, it might feature a lighter sauce with a hint of sweetness from ingredients like oyster sauce or sugar. Tofu holds symbolic significance in Chinese culture beyond its culinary uses. Its white color and soft texture represent purity and simplicity, making it a popular choice for offerings during religious ceremonies and festivals. Tofu is also associated with longevity and good fortune, making it a fitting ingredient for celebratory dishes like homestyle tofu. In addition to being delicious, homestyle tofu offers numerous health benefits. Tofu is low in calories and saturated fat, making it a nutritious option for those looking to maintain a healthy diet. It's also a good source of protein, iron, and calcium, making it especially beneficial for vegetarians and vegans. Incorporating homestyle tofu into your meals can help support overall health and well-being. Homestyle tofu's culinary versatility extends beyond its use as a main dish. It can also be incorporated into a variety of other dishes, such as soups, stir-fries, and salads. Tofu's mild flavor and ability to absorb other flavors make it a versatile ingredient that can complement a wide range of ingredients and cooking styles. Whether you're looking for a simple weeknight meal or an elegant appetizer, homestyle tofu has you covered. In traditional Chinese households, making tofu from scratch was a common practice. Families would start by soaking soybeans overnight, then grinding them into a paste, boiling the mixture, and finally straining it to separate the soy milk from the solids. The soy milk would then be coagulated using a natural coagulant like gypsum or nigari to form tofu. While store-bought tofu is more convenient nowadays, these traditional methods highlight the craftsmanship and dedication involved in making tofu. And there you have it, homestyle tofu, a simple yet satisfying dish that celebrates the essence of Chinese home cooking. I hope you've enjoyed uncovering the unknown facts behind this beloved dish. Until next time, happy cooking and zaijian. Don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.